Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today we're going to be making the famous Kris Jenner Lemon Cake. So what you're going to need is a perfectly moist lemon supreme DUNCAN HINES cake mix. You're going to need some lemon pudding. Make sure you get the 4.5 serving box. So I did split this in half to get the right amount of ingredients. You're going to need 3 eggs. The box says 3, but the recipe called for 4, so I'm going to use 3. You're going to need some vegetable oil. And you're going to need some powdered sugar. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to get started by opening up our cake mix. And we're going to go ahead and kind of like break up the clumps as much as you can. But we're going to finish breaking them up in the bowl. Alright, so you can use a fork or a spoon or a whisk or your fingers to just break up the lumps because we don't want a lumpy cake. Next up, we're going to add in our 4.5 serving of our lemon pudding. And we're going to go ahead and add in our 3 eggs. Now, feel free to do 4 eggs. I'm just doing what the box said. And kind of going with the flow of what I want to do, but go ahead and use 4 if you would like, because I think that's what the original recipe was. We're going to go ahead and add in a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and we're going to go ahead and add in our 1 cup of water. And now it's time to whisk away. But we're going to go ahead and whisk our batter for about 2 minutes straight. Alright, now it's time to grab your BUNDT pan, and we're going to go ahead and spray our BUNDT pan just to make sure that our cake does not stick to our pan. But if you have a non-stick pan like I do, it's up to you if you would like to spray it, but I would advise you just to spray it to be safe. And now we're going to go ahead and add in our delicious smelling lemon cake batter to our pan. This smells so good already. Alright, this pan is going to go in the oven on 325 for about 40 minutes. While our cake is baking, we're going to go ahead and get started on making our icing for the top of our cake. You're going to go ahead and put in 1 cup of powdered sugar, and we're going to squeeze 1 whole fresh lemon. I didn't show that at the beginning, but you're going to need 1 whole fresh lemon, or you can use some lemon juice. But go ahead and add in your lemon. If you feel like your icing is a little thick, you can go ahead and add in more lemon, but it's up to you how thick or how thin you would like your icing. All right, now that our cake has been cooling for about 15 to 20 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and flip our cake over to get started with icing. All right, now you're gonna poke holes around your cake so when you pour your icing in, you're gonna get all that yummy goodness when you take a bite of your cake, just seeping through your cake. And you know what you can also do? You can also like squeeze a little bit more lemon juice after you poke the holes in it. Not too much, you don't want your cake to be too wet, but just a little lemon juice and then put your icing on. But I didn't do that, so it's up to you. All right, we're gonna cut into this baby. It smells so good, y'all, and it still has a little touch of warmth to it. Look at that. Look how yellow that looks. I love a nice moist lemon cake. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit all notifications, and stay connected with me for more videos.